What's up, anglers? Today I'm here with my boy Kale. We're about to be fishing this creek. It's beautiful, guys. I got the fly rod. I'm gonna be throwing some hoppers, some dry flies. I think it's gonna be a good day, guys. The water looks good. Kale's got the spinning rod.
Got the spinning rod right here. Got the size 3 gold Mavs. Gonna try it out. Should be nice.
Yes, sir. We're gonna do a little fly fishing versus spinning challenge just for fun. Obviously this isn't the best way to actually test fly fishing versus spinning fishing. We're just out here doing this for fun. We both wanted to come fishing. We're just trying it out. So yeah, guys, let's get to it. Guys, that was a big fish and I missed him. Come back, come back. Dude, no way. Please tell me you could see that on the freaking GoPro. He's coming back, boys. We gotta get him. Dang it. Fish on, fish on. Good fish, guys. Don't go down there. Guys, if he goes downstream, I'm so cooked. If he goes downstream, he's getting off. It's a hog, guys. Good fish, guys. He just ripped downstream. It's straight runoff. He's getting tired. Got him. Heck yeah. Good brown trout on the stonefly nymph. All right, guys. I missed this fish twice. Finally, he ate the size 10 stonefly nymph. Good brown trout, guys. Let's go ahead and release him. He's out of here. Let's go. That's one fish for the fly rod. Let's see how it keeps going. Let's go. Cameraman never dies, but he falls in every vid. Dang it. That looks good, bruh. Fish on. Yes, sir, here. Nice, bro. Yes! Nice job, Kale.
Beautiful little trout right here. First one of the day.
Nice, Kale. 1 and 1. One for the spinning, one for the fly. He's out of here. Heck yeah, Kale. Nice job. 1 and 1. Let's see how it goes. Fish on, little guy. On the nymph. Nice, guys. Another small brown on the nymph. All right, guys. Second fish for the fly rod. Pretty little brown trout. Let's go ahead and release him. It's 2 for the fly, 1 for the spinning now. Hog, hog. Nice. Don't horse him too hard, don't horse him too hard. Yes, Kale. Dude, we're tied up.
Beautiful.
We're tied up now.
Second brown trout of the day, guys. A little bigger, beautiful. But I put him
Nice.
up. Oh, there he goes.
He's gone. Nice job, Kale. 2 and 2. 2 on the fly, 2 on the spinner.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay. No! Dude. Bro, that was a hog.
We're getting up next time, guys.
Guys,
Dude, twice, guys. This has happened twice. They're out.
get in right now. Don't horse him too hard, bruh. Fish on. Is that a fish?
Yep.
Dude, I got it on film. Nice job, bro. All right, just let him come in. Let him come in. He's coming. Don't pull too hard. He'll slide right in. Nice, bro. Dude, Kale's going off. The spinner barbless, y'all. Since there's 3 hooks, definitely do not need barbs.
Way better, way better.
Popped right out.
Beautiful little brook trout.
Let's go.
Brown trout, guys.
Kale's just tossing the spinner up. Are you kidding me? It's a hawk. Okay, don't. Oh wait, okay, he's decent, he's decent. Dude, this is cheating, bro. This is cheating. Okay, where's he at? Right there. Nice, dude. That's like literally 5 casts in a row. Kale's hooked up. Spinner and 2 for the fly rod.
There you go, guys.
Let's get a release. Nice. Heck yeah, Kale.
Beautiful hole out here, guys.
Pause. Get it farther over to the right, bro, like over there. Yeah. Hog. Dude. Nice. All right, just keep bringing him in. Yes.
Dude.
Let's go. Oh, he popped right off too.
Beautiful.
Nice, Kale. Get him a quick
Heck yeah,
release.
guys.
That's 5 fish for Kale. 5 on the spinner.
That's a size 3 gold Meps right there.
Nice, Kale.
Beautiful.
Right back. All right, everybody. So far, I've caught 2 fish. They've both been on the nymph. There's a size 10 stonefly. Kale's caught in 5 fish on the spinner. It's insane, guys. I gotta catch up. But we're about to stick to it. I'm about to keep going up, tossing it right next to the bank and in these seams and see if I can get one to come up and eat the hopper. I just threw on a stimulator that I tied up. And then I'm dropping a little Euro nymph. So yeah, guys, see how it does. Guys, I'm heated. That freaking, I made a perfect cast under that tree and a hog brown came up and ate it, and I just got way too excited and set the hook way too hard. It literally snapped right off. But yeah guys, we're gonna fish for a little bit longer, see if I can catch them, but it's not looking good. That was scary, dude. Yes, sir. Nice job, bro. Woo-hoo. Dude, nice. Here, bring him in. Nice, Kale. Good brown. 6th of the day. Going crazy.
Six fish of the day. Nice little brown trout again.
Nice, Kale.
Beautiful.
Heck yeah.
There it goes.
Good job, bro. Oh my gosh, no! Oh, bro, dude, I'm about to crash out. That was definitely on film, bro. That was a hog coming out of the water. Come back, bro. Come back. Oh my gosh, no! Back. It's because I had so much drag on there that time. Nah. Fish on? Dude, that's a nice one.
Beautiful brown.
Seventh fish of the day.
Let's put him back. Nice.
I've caught 2 so far. We would be about tied up if I wouldn't have missed so many fish, bro.
Fish are hungry today, guys.
All right, everybody, it's gonna be it for today's video. Kale ended up catching 7 on the freaking spinner, guys. It's been a perfect day, but I got 2 on the fly, and then I missed like 4 fish on the hopper. So we would have done better if I would have got those ones, but it's all good. And like I said, guys, this wasn't the best way to test this out. We were just coming out here, having fun, having a good day, and catching some fish. So hope you guys liked the video, and have a nice day, guys.
See you guys later.